students, last period we saw about theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle and 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. What is Pythagoras theorem? And today we will going to solve about examples based on Pythagorean triplet and geometric mean property. Last period we also saw similarity in right angle triangle, theorem of similarity and right angle triangle. In that we saw geometric mean theorem also, and by using this theorem today we will going to solve the examples from our practice set 2.1. So what is the first question? First question is identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplet. म्हणजे आपल्याला पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट कोणकोणते आहेत दिलेल्या सम मधले ते ओळखायचे. टोटल 6 एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. 6 एक्झाम्पल्स आर देअर. One of them is solved here. So, 5th example. The numbers are 10, 24 and 27. So, how identify Pythagorean triplet? Or which numbers are Pythagorean triplet? The square of largest number is equal to sum of square of remaining 2 numbers. So, in these 3 numbers, largest one is 27. So, square of 27 equal to 729. This is statement number 1. Remaining 2 numbers are 10 and 24. So, 10 square plus 24 square equal to square of 10 is 100 and square of 24 is 576. So, sum of these two is 676. From statement 1 and 2, 27 square not equal to 10 square plus 24 square. Here you have to write a reason. Square of larger number is not equal to sum of square of remaining 2. Therefore, 10, 24, 27 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Like this way, you have to solve remaining 5 examples. You have to write here 2 lines. Which 2 lines? Square of larger number is not equal to sum of square of remaining 2 numbers. Okay. Remaining 5 examples you have to solve. Now question number 2 is from the figure. In the figure, angle MNP equal to 90 degree. Segment NQ perpendicular segment MP. MQ equal to 9, QP equal to 4. Find NQ. What is question? NQ find करायचं. We have to find NQ. So solution. First observe the figure. This is right angle triangle. As angle MNP equal to 90 degree. Therefore in right angle triangle. Solution ची आपली सुरुवातच होणार आहे गिव्हननी. MNP equal to 90 degree. Therefore, in right angle triangle, MNP. Again, what is given? NQ, segment NQ perpendicular segment MP is given. So, by geometric mean theorem, we already learned this theorem. Geometric mean theorem, NQ square means segment perpendicular drawn to the hypotenuse. Square of this equal to product of the hypotenuse in which it is divided. So NQ square equal to hypotenuse is divided in 2 segments MQ and QP. So NQ square equal to MQ into PQ or QP. See here, geometric mean theorem, NQ square equal to MQ into PQ. This is the geometric mean theorem. By substituting the values, NQ square equal to value of MQ is 9 and value of QP is 4. So 9 4s are 36. Therefore, NQ equal to 6, taking square roots of both the sides. Therefore, NQ equal to 6 unit is the answer. These questions like these are asked in board exam for 2 marks or in activity based question. These can be converted in activity question also. So you have to solve question number 3 by using same property, and questions from problem set 2, which are based on geometric mean property and Pythagorean triplet. You have to find it and solve, and try to solve all questions. The portion which is deleted for this year is from page number 40 to 42, means application of Pythagoras theorem is deleted. Full exercise practice set 2.2 is complete deleted, and from problem set 2 question number 6 from question 1 choose the correct alternative मधला 6 delete केलेला आहे. Then question number 8, 9 and 12, all these are deleted for this year. So only one exercise in this chapter. So we try to solve all. You have to solve question 3. Next period we will see question number 4, 5 and 6. Before that we will study Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.